In this video, I'm going to show you how to change the oil on your Toyota Tacoma. Doing your own oil change is a great way to save money and keep your truck running strong. First, park your Tacoma on level ground and let the engine cool. Open the hood and remove the oil filler cap to help the oil drain smoothly. Then crawl under the truck and find the oil drain plug at the bottom of the oil pan. Place a drain pan underneath, loosen the plug with a wrench, and let the old oil fully drain out. Next, locate the oil filter. It's usually near the engine block. Use an oil filter wrench or your hand if it's loose to remove it. Before installing the new filter, apply a thin layer of fresh oil to the rubber gasket. Screw it on by hand until snug. Once the oil has drained, tighten the drain plug back in place. Pour in the recommended amount and type of oil for your Tacoma. Check your owner's manual to be sure. Start the engine and check for leaks. If this video helped you, please like and subscribe for more truck maintenance tips. Thanks for watching.